Hey guys, we received this SKG smartwatch for test and try. It's a 1.43 inches GPS built-in smartwatch with 100 plus ports, so magnetometer, barometer, or the good runtime with a waterproof fitness watch. So this comes with a app that you can install on your mobile. So let me just open. Comes in a really nice gift box, as you can see, and these are accessories like with the charging cable and things. So manual, the watch itself and the band is silicone band, the rubber band for the waterproof. So this have a 1.43 inches HD display, as you can see it here. So it's a touch screen, and this is the charging cable. So it's a metal head and display. I will show you like looks like a good display. So this is the magnetic charger here. You put it in the USB, and you can see that it starts charging in here. So it's asking for the app. So let me put the app SKG Health. So once I install the app and do everything, I will just put in. So putting on the wrist is also fine. It's comfortable bracelet or the band, and then it's easy to use. So the instructions are on the screen, and let me just add this watch on my mobile so that I can easily connect it. So now I'm just tightening it up a little bit more so that I can show you some of the features like SPO2 or anything else. So you add in the device, it starts searching, it asks for the QR code to scan, and then once it's all done, you can add this watch. So once this is all paired, then you are good to go. Now you can see a really nice bright screen. It's a nice display with a high resolution, and also you can change the faces of the watch. So here are the different faces that you can do. So I like the design of this initial face. So here you can see like there are different things. Touch screen is very fluent, and this is the SpO2 measurement, and there are multiple features that have in and have a built-in GPS as well. I cannot show the location on the video, so here you can see like everything with a waterproof fitness thing, heart rate monitor, SpO2 monitor, sleep monitor, and also have this Bluetooth and everything connection. Whatever comes on your mobile, you will get the notification on your watch. So that's pretty good. And then also have a good battery life. So you can also do it, charge every night or every 9 days or every week, depends on your usage. And it's a vibration drainage as well, like as in the Apple Watch, you can see. So it's the heart rate, everything is good. You can see this is pretty good and fast. And then have all these different features here. So it's a good gift for a watch.